so today it's day 4 here in Spain, Barcelona, and today we are going to Montserrat. And yeah, so going here we will take train and then another mode of transportation, which is bus, I think. So yeah, so I'm gonna update you guys. Okay guys, now we're walking to the train station going for Montserrat, and yeah, so here's the street view. So yeah, update you guys.
A few inches later.
Okay guys, now we're here at Area de Montserrat, and here is the big view. Here's it guys. So we took our ride and so let's go and give you a montage. Okay guys, now we're here at the observatory, which is the top, and here is my back. Here's it guys, so it's my background as you can see. So yeah, and we're going to take the view, and you can see the view here. Here's it guys, in my background, and yeah, so let's go near and we can see the view here. Guys, it's the view in my back. So I'm gonna give you a montage.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, now we just passed through the gift shop to buy some souvenirs, and yeah, so we're almost done with the tours here in Montserrat. We explored the Basilia and the throne inside, and I wasn't able to vlog because filming is not allowed, and yeah, so here's the place you can see. And yeah, so I'm gonna update you guys. Okay guys, now we're going to leave Area de Montserrat to catch our train. And yeah, so I'm gonna give you the last montage. Okay guys, now we're back in our hotel room, and it's currently 6 p.m. right now, and sunset will start at 9 p.m. and yeah, so tomorrow we will go to Park Güell, and yeah, so our day 4 ends here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget guys to drop a big thumbs up for this video, subscribe, turn on the bell, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.